Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing part 2 of all my Ringtones phones slash good condition phones. These two are in bad condition, flaws this one, but this one works, this one doesn't. Let's get started. And as I was saying, I got some new phones. These are new. These two are new. This is new, and this is new, and this is new. This, and this are new. So I've got these recently. First, we're gonna start off with this LG, and this I've gotta say this is recently too. And I had this, you may have saw it in my other video, but I don't think I had time to show you the ringtone. Focus, camera, focus. LG UX 465, 4650. LG UX 4650 on Verizon. This is not the original battery, it's the weird battery, it says Duracell. So, yeah. Ow. Both screens work, just came in that back cover. Oh, it might be. This is dead. Oh, it's dead. Well, next up is this phone that was actually charged. So since I'm not gonna be using this phone. Oh my god, the battery's not even in this phone. Wow. This one works, but right now I can't. The battery's all the way downstairs, so I can't get it. What's gonna go on this phone? Already on. It's an LG on Cricket. This didn't come with a back cover, or it didn't come with a case. So yeah, show you the ringtones of it. It's running low too. We gotta go on. Sound. No ringtones. First one. This is the basic one for it. Kinda ugly. Y'all might like it, but I don't. This one's ugly. I hate this one. I'll give this one like a 1.5. I give this like a 2. Excuse me for that. I'm scratching my leg. You might hear the background noise, it's raining outside, so yeah. This one I give it like a 1 because it's too loud. This is the worst one of all of them. This one also bad. This is annoying. The other one's just annoying. It's raining so hard outside. Oh, hold on. Yo, it's raining like crazy, guys. Yo, it's raining like crazy. So yeah, you might hear the rain in the background. I think this is the stock one. Oh, I like this one. Leave a comment down below, guys, what was your favorite one on this phone. Oh, I also like this one too. Oh, and I forgot to show you the model number of this phone. My bad. Just forgot. This stupid case get. Sorry if I'm taking the camera too much. I need to get a tripod. Focus. Focus. It is LDK. Focus. Focus. LDK737 on Cricket. Surprised this case fits it. Yep. Next up is this ZTE that I got recently. I got two of them. Well, I don't need it. I sold the other one, I think, on eBay. I don't know. I don't do it, but yeah, do it. ZTE Z9 30L on TACphone NFC. TACphone NFC. I just went out the owner for information, so this factory shredded it. Works. Came with SD card too. Cool phone. Not bad. I should say. myself. Number one of them. This is my favorite one if you guys want to know. I just like this one a lot. It's really good. That water sound is not good though. Like this, falls and stuff. It's not bad. This one's bad. So off there. I don't like this one. I don't like it at all. I might give this a 1.2, I think. I'll give it. I'll give half a 1 actually. I'll give it half a 1. And the video might be long, so you don't have to watch all of it. You can just watch some of it if y'all, you know. But I know some people don't like long videos. But I got so much phones that it makes it long. I never heard this one yet. It's so weird. It has more? I didn't know it had more. This is me, guys, looking through this right now. I kind of like this one. It's not Christmas. Why is this here? It's not Christmas. It's not even close to being Christmas. I hate this one. I keep something off. That's disgusting. I kind of like this thing. I go with power off now. You know what? I'll go with this one next. This is a Nokia Lumia 521. So there's a story behind this. I've got this locked. I don't know it was locked. And the guy I purchased it from never told me it was locked. Yeah. So I got it from a flea market, from the baskets, and I came home, shaved there's bed, plugged it in, turned on, charged, and then I powered it on. You know, it was charging, then I powered it on while I was charging. Then I swipe up, and there's passcode. I was like, oh shoot, why is there passcode? Then I go on YouTube to factory reset it, I mean, put a video of how to factory reset it. I eventually managed to find videos on it. There is videos on it. There's like similar ones to it, but they're all the same Nokia, and they're all on Windows. And it's pretty dirty, so I got it in. Yeah, the buttons don't work, I think. I mean, I really wanted like to factory reset it, and the next day, I mean, the day I was trying to factory reset it, it was like trying to factory reset and stuff, but I couldn't do it. Next day I tried to attempt, then the screen started flicking out of nowhere. And then I tried to power it on again. The screen's burnt out of nowhere. The screen's burnt. I mean, the screen had a line through it, and I did find a replacement screen for it on eBay, which is not that expensive, you know. But, you know, I might replace this in the near future, but it's in bad condition too. Keep in mind, I really want this to work. I really wanted to hear the ringtones of this phone in this video. I really wanted to hear the Nokia ringtones and stuff. You know what I had to offer, but it doesn't work. It also came with this case, which is surprisingly, it's missing that thing. But yeah, all it is missing that thing. Next is this Palm Trio 700W. Palm Trio 7. I know you can't see it. Can you see it? Kind of. You can't really see it. There you go. Palm Trio 700W. Now I got two batteries for this, and this is the original battery. So, you know, and this is the same battery, but not original. So this battery is actually bloated, as you can see. Look at this battery. Look at this battery. See how this is smooth? This is not. Yeah. The problem with this battery, it came with this phone. I got this one from a flea market for about $7, I think. Yeah, $7. I think it was $8. Yeah, it was $8 total. $8. And the battery it came with was this. This is the original battery. You know, I saw the battery. I know it was bloated, but I thought like some batteries come loaded, but they can still charge. And this one was bloated. It was bloated too badly that it wasn't able to charge. I mean, it would power it on, but then it would give you a countdown. It would tell you like, please reset, please recharge or replace the battery. So I went ahead and left it overnight charge. See if that was the issue, and it wouldn't charge. So next day I went on eBay and bought a battery. It came in Monday. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna boot this phone up now. And to my surprise, this phone is touchscreen. Yes, I said it. Touchscreen. I mean, this phone's so old. I'm surprised why it has touchscreen. Also on Verizon. See, boot it up. I have the issue where I can't power it off. I'll show you that in a minute. Just come here. It has a stylus, which you could use for this phone. See, I'm showing you. Let's go. There it is. I am not clickbaiting. See, I'm just gonna press this button. Now scroll down. See, it's touchscreen. Now I'm gonna go on settings. We're gonna go on. It's best if I use the pad that came with it. I'm still getting used to this, you know, it's in Windows too. Hold on a minute while I put the pad back. We're back. Sounds and notifications. There we go. No. No. There we go. I'm gonna put the first one here. Yeah, that one's basic. Rolls. Nah, I don't like that one. I don't like that one either. It's so weird on this. I think it's the original power one. It's like someone's in a music concert or something. I can tell this thing was played on piano. Pretty dirty screen. I know, they get dusty when I put them in the cabinet. Already done, okay. No. For at least, this is actually surprising. This phone has it. The phone I'm just about to show you guys in a minute. It doesn't continue on though. The other one continues on. But it has a QWERTY ink keyboard, like kind of like the Samsung Elias 2nd Gen. Now if you flip it up, it has a QWERTY keyboard, inky keyboard. I think it has an inky keyboard. I don't know. I think so. If it does, maybe let me know in the comments, because I think it has an inky keyboard. Sorry if guys, if I gave you a headache from taking the phone, my camera. I need my phone. I'm just kinda itchy. This is you might hear this a lot on it. This is kind of popular. That's a trio one? That's the basic trio one, guys. That's the stock trio. Oh my god. There's more? Oh my god. Yo, I don't know if this one a lot, but that's what I mean. When I want to power off. Wait, you gotta go back first. Nope, not that one. I don't know why it says welcome. Okay. There we go. See, it kind of looks like it's powering off, but it doesn't. It just powers back on. I'm just gonna take the battery off this phone so it doesn't drain. This is SPH Samsung SPH A80, A680, I think. A680, yeah, A680. I recently got a charger for this. I didn't. The one I had broke. SPH A80. Is it? I think it's A580. I don't know. Let's zoom in. Yeah, I think it's A580. Yeah, A580. I think, or A680. I don't know, but I think it's A680. It's in that mint blue condition. It's in amazing condition. Other than this scratch right here. I think it's right here. Oh my god, it's good. Other than these nick right here, it's in amazing condition. And this should be charged. There we go. One of my first phones in my first phones in my collection. It does boots up so fast. If you know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna hold this here. Oh my. I like this one. This one's disgusting. I hate this one. It's like you're trapped in a room. It's like you're trapped in a room and like there's an alarm going off like a pump. I know I'm skipping through them sometimes. I'm skipping through them because this video is getting long. I'm already at 31 recording. One of my favorites on this, like I told you before, Fair Lease. this one continues. This one, on the other hand, doesn't continue. It just stops. It just stops like that. After that, it stops. That's all there is for this phone. Next up, we got this LG. Came with a. Oh my god, blow power on. Came with the SIM card. LG C1. Nothing, guys. LG C1. LG C1 300i. LG C1 300i. The battery seems to be in amazing condition. I don't know why I said that, but this phone's beat up though a little bit. After that, Nick, it's in amazing condition. Works too. Oh my god, I don't know if I can see anything. You can see the polar bear. So we're gonna go clear that sound. Now this is the OG. On any singular phone you get, on these older phones, you're gonna get this. This is the regular OG, but I don't like this one. I don't like this one at all. It's so long. It's so long. It's all about you. This one's also long. I'm gonna try a romantic one. I don't know. One of my favorites. Right? Now there is 3 more phones, including this, and all those duties in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below your favorite ringtone of the phones that were featured here today. So yeah, have a good day. Bye.